Hey everybody, it's Tom from HID Projectors, and we are showing off a Chevy Camaro retrofit that we've done here. So essentially the process is very simple. Customer sends us their headlights. We then take out the stock halo pipe and replace it with a color changing halo. And then we put a second color changing halo in the middle here. So I've got them hooked up to a Bluetooth controller so I can use an app on my phone to basically select any color that I'd like. So what you saw there was kind of a white, here's an amber, here's a blue, here's a green, and here's a red. Now you could set them to any single color that you'd like. If you buy a second controller, you can have the outer ring one color and the smaller ring a different color. Or you could go to our built-in 20 show mode section here and pick one of the cool features that we have here. This one's a 7-color crossfade. You could slow that down or speed it up like I just did there. There's gradual changes here. Here's a red flash. There's some yellow ones. There's a cyan. There's some strobing things, greens and blue crossfades. Here's a red and blue crossfade. So you can speed that up. It kind of looks like that. You can get some strobing stuff. You can even beat to the music if you'd like. Here's a strobe. Again, that strobe can be slowed down and sped up. You can select any single color that you'd like as well, just by using the color wheel, kind of playing around with the wheel here. And you can dial that in as you'd like as well. So if you guys are interested in something like this, just head over to HIDprojectors.com. You could find the Camaro section. You could purchase this as a kit, or you can send your headlights in to us so we could do the modification for you. It takes a couple of days to do, and we get it back to you as quick as possible. One last thing to mention is if you do set your lights to green here like you've done, and you turn them off, when you go ahead and turn them back on, it's going to remember the last setting that you had. So that's kind of neat. You decide you want to set it on this white color, and then you turn your vehicle off. You don't have to use the app again when you turn them back on. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, don't feel like you can't reach out to us. You can call us at 716-662-3479 or email us at sales@HIDprojectors.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.